How to fix Going Medieval is crashing. First, you want to right click the game on your library and then open up the properties window. In the general tab, you want to add -dx11 to the launch options and then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. Once this is completed, you can close Steam and then open up a new browser tab and download the redistributables from this table here. You will need to download the 86 and the 64 installers and install both of these. To access this website, you'll just need to search for Redist and open up the first link, and you find the table here. Now, once you've installed these, you will also need to check if you have the latest GPU updates installed. If you're running an NVIDIA GPU, you will need to have NVIDIA app. And if you're running AMD, you can download and install the AMD software. And from the drivers tab here, you can check for the latest drivers and download and install them. And once you've installed latest updates, you will need to run Steam as admin before opening the game. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your library. This should fix the crash problem. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.